And here's the last question, the $1 million question. You ready?
I'm ready.
So imagine you had to start all over again and you knew no one. So you didn't know your husband, didn't know your kids, but you had all your current knowledge, skills, and wisdom. What's the first thing you do or the first place you go to build a network marketing business from scratch?
So most people will go and run and go, oh my gosh, I got to learn everything about social media. This is so clear to me because I'm essentially rebuilding my business. So this is very, very clear. You've got to decide, visualize, believe, plan, and execute. So here's the thing. The most important one, Simon, and that's what changed everything for me, is I made the decision. I made the decision to go back in with 2 feet. That is where I believe the missing piece is for people. People need to go 2 feet in and make a decision. And that's what I did many, many months ago. And boom, it's amazing how my business is building already.